Jai Gurudev, good morning children. Hope all are fine at home. In today's maths class, we will be learning about fractions. Already I have learned about fractions in previous classes, and we know fractions is nothing but a part of a whole. And also fractions are written in the form a by b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. And we have also learned types of fractions, addition and subtraction. And in this session, we will be learning about multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Now, starting with multiplication of fractions. Consider the following examples. Here, we are multiplying a whole number and a fraction. If you see, 5 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fractional number. When you multiply the whole number and a fraction, you have to multiply the whole number with the numerator. So, we have 5 into 2 overall divided by 3, nothing but 10 by 3. So, second example, 3 by 7 into 2. So, 2 should be multiplied with the numerator 3. So, it is 3 into 2 divided by 7. The answer is 6 by 7. And here 3 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. First we convert it into a improper fraction. So, you get 7 by 2 into 5. So, it is nothing but 7 into 5 overall divided by 2. So, 35 by 2. Since the denominator is small, it can be converted into a mixed fraction. So, we get 17 1 by 2. Now, we will go with some more examples. Here 5 by 4 into 20. So, since 20 is a whole number, it should be multiplied with the numerator. So, 5 into 20 divided by 4. And 20 and 4 are multiples of 4. So, they can be reduced in 4 table. 20 is 5 times and 4 is 1 times. So, remaining is 5 into 5 equal to 25. Consider the next example, 18 into 3 by 16. So, it is 18 into 3 whole divided by 16. 18 and 16 are multiples of 2. So, we can reduce in 2 table 9 times and 8 times respectively. So, it is 9 into 3 by 8. So, it is 27 by 8. Since it is a improper fraction, it can be converted into a mixed fraction. So, we get 3 by 8. And the next example, 4 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We convert it into improper fraction. So, 14 by 3 into 9. So, here 14 into 9 overall divided by 3. 9 and 3 are multiples of 3. So, reducing in 3 table, we get 9 3 times and 3 1 times. So, 14 into 3 by 1, nothing but 42. Next, multiplication of fractions with fractions. Here 5 by 8 into 3 by 2. When you multiply two fractions, the numerator should be multiplied and the denominator should be multiplied. So, see here 5 into 3, multiply the numerator, same way denominators 8 into 4. So, 5 3s are 15 and 8 4s are 32. So, the answer is 15 by 32. And the next example, 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. Likewise, numerators 9 into 8 and denominator is 16 into 15. If you see here, 9 and 15 are multiples of 3. So, reducing in 3 table, we get 3 times and 5 times. Same way 8 and 16 are multiples of 8. So, reducing in 8 table, we get 1 times and 2 times. So, numerator is 3 into 1 and denominator is 2 into 5 and the answer is 3 by 10. Here 7 5 by 9 is a mixed fraction. We convert it into improper fraction. So, we get 68 by 9 into 3 by 2. So, numerator 68 into 3 and the denominator is 9 into 2. And 68 and 2 are 2 table numbers. So, it will be cancelled 34 times and 1 times. Same way 3 and 9 are multiples of 3. So, on cancelling we get 1 times and 3 times. Now, the numerator is 34 into 1 and the denominator is 3 into 1 and we get 34 divided by 3. And this, since it is a improper fraction, we convert it into a mixed fraction. So, we get 11 1 by 3. And the next, find the product. Here just note down here, of represents multiplication. So some more examples we'll see here. 2 by 5 of 4. Here of means multiplication. So instead of you use the symbol multiplication symbol. Now 2 by 5 into 40. So as usual you have to do the multiplication. 2 into 40 divided by 5. In 5 table 40 is 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. Same way 4 by 9 of 15 by 16. So we know that of represents multiplication. So it is 4 by 9 into 15 by 16. And 4 and 16 we cancel in 4 table 1 times and 4 times. 15 and 9 we cancel in 3 table 5 times and 3 times. Now the numerators are 1 into 5 and the denominators are 3 into 4 and the value is 5 by 12. And one more example, 2 by 3 of a year. We know that 1 year is 12 months. So it is 2 by 3, of means multiplication, and a year becomes 12 months. So it is 2 by 3 into 12. So 2 into 12 overall divided by 3. So cancelling in 3 table 4 times, we get 2 into 4 is equal to 8 months. And next we will see reciprocal of fractions. So two fractions are said to be reciprocal if the product is 1. So here when we go for definition, two fractions are said to be reciprocal of each other if the product is 1. That is 4 by 7. Consider the example 4 by 7 and 7 by 4. 4 by 7 into 7 by 4 gives you the value 1. So 4 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7 by 4 and 7 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 7. Here generally reciprocal of A by B is B by A. That is reciprocal is nothing but the numerator and denominator get interchanged. So the second sum, reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Same way reciprocal of 11 by 23 is 23 by 11. And the reciprocal of 12 by 35 is 35 by 12. And here reciprocal of 5 is, here 5 can be considered as 5 by 1. So reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. And 0 has no reciprocal and reciprocal of 1 is always 1. And next we will see division of fractions. Before going to division, just we'll go through the rule. To divide a fraction by another fraction, first we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So mind the word reciprocal. So in division we are using the reciprocal here. So just see the general format. A by B is a first fraction and C by D is a second fraction. So to perform the division, the first fraction is written as it is and the division symbol becomes multiplication, and you have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is D by C. So thus we have A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. We'll see some more examples in division. First sum, 5 by 7 divided by 10. So the division symbol becomes multiplication and the reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So we have 5 by 7 into 1 by 10. Thus the numerator is 5 into 1 and the denominator is 7 into 10. 5 and 10 both are reduced in 5 table 1 times and 2 times. So we get 1 by 14 as the result. Second example, 12 divided by 3 by 5. Here it is division symbols changed into multiplication and the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So we have 12 into 5 by 3. So the numerator is 12 into 5, denominator is 3. Cancelling 12 and 3 in 4 table, we get 4 times and 1 times respectively. So the value is 4 into 5, 20. And the next one, 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. So the division symbol is changed into multiplication symbol. Thus we have 4 by 9 into 6 by 5. So numerator is 4 into 6 and the denominator is 9 into 5. Reducing 6 and 9 in 3 table, you get 2 times and 3 times. So the value is 4 2s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. So 8 by 15. And the next example, 5 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Same way 2 1 by 10 is also a mixed fraction. First we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that is 28 by 5 divided by 21 by 10. Same way change division symbol into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 21 by 10 as 10 by 21. So the numerator is 28 into 10 and the denominator is 5 into 21. Reducing 28 and 21 in 7 table, we get 4 times and 3 times respectively. Same way reducing 10 and 5 in 5 table, we get 2 times and 1 times. So numerator is 4 into 2, 8 and the denominator is 3. And this is a improper fraction. So we convert it into mixed fraction, we get 2 by 3. We will go through few word problems. Renu spends 4 by 5 of her income on household expenses. Her monthly income is rupees 30,000. How much does she spend every month? So here 4 by 5 of her income. Her income is 30,000. So it is 4 by 5 of 30. So monthly expenditure is 4 by 5 of rupees 30,000. We know that of represents multiplication. So 4 by 5 into 30,000. So it is numerator is 30,000 into 4 and the denominator is 5. Cancelling in 5 table 6,000 times we get rupees 24,000. So expenditure is 24,000 but the question asked is savings. So monthly savings is monthly income minus expenditure. So it is 30,000 minus 24,000 and it is 6,000. So monthly savings is rupees 6,000. Okay, consider the next word problem. A curtain contains 16 boxes of nails and each box weighs 3 by 4 kg. How much would a curtain of nails weigh? Here in a curtain there are 16 boxes but the weight of only one box is given as 3 by 4. So if you find the weight of 16 boxes, we will be getting the weight of nails in a curtain. So weight of one box is 3 by 4 kg. So convert it into improper fraction, we get 19 by 4 kg. And weight of 16 boxes is, we know that given for 1, asked for many, have to perform the multiplication. So it is 16 into 19 by 4. That is 16 into 19 overall divided by 4. Reducing in 4 table 4 times and 1 times, we get 19 into 4 as 76. So the weight of a curtain is 76 kg. And the next example, Preeti bought 8.5 kg of sugar for rupees 242 1 by 4. Find the price of sugar per kg. So here it is given for 8 kgs. The amount is given for 8.5 kgs and they are asking for 1 kg. So you have to perform division. So cost of 17 by 2, that is 8 1 by 2 is nothing but 17 by 2. So cost of 17 by 2 kg of sugar is rupees 969 by 4. That is 242 1 by 4 is converted into improper fraction. Now cost of 1 kg of sugar is 969 by 4 divided by 17 by 2. So the numerator is 969 into 2 and the denominator is 4 into 17. Now 17 table 469 goes 57 times and 2 table 2 1 times and 4 2 times. Now the numerator is 57 into 1 by 2 into 1. So it is 57 by 2. And this proper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction as rupees 28 1 by 2. So the cost of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 28 1 by 2. And the next example, by what number should 6 2 by 9 be multiplied to get 40? That means you have to multiply a number with 6 2 by 9 and the answer should be 40. That is, product of two numbers is 40. In that one number is 6 2 by 9. When you convert it into improper fraction, we get 56 by 9. So the other number will be 40 divided by 56 by 9. So change division into multiplication. So we get 40 into 9 by 56, which is the reciprocal of 56 by 9. So 40 into 9 divided by 56, cancelling in 8 table we get 5 times and 7 times. So the remaining is 5 into 9 by 7 is equal to 45 by 7. So converting into mixed fraction we get 6 3 by 7. So the number that should be multiplied is 6 3 by 7. Children, I hope you have understood the concepts that was taught today. Keep practicing and enjoy your days. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Thank you, children.